This is a very common saying in Pakistan. In the literal sense it means chicken made at home is equivalent to lentils, and I don't need to get into what it implies. What I will get into is that the same term of endearment can also be applied to Pakistan's test team. Ranked number 3 in the world, Pakistan is unbeaten in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, and boasts the second-best win-loss ratio among all test-playing nations since October 2010, the second-best win-loss ratio at home since October 2010, and the second-best win-loss ratio away from home since October 2010. Misbah's men have achieved all of this without playing a single test in their own country. For most Pakistan fans and critics, the side's success at home is not a satisfactory prospect despite the fact that the word home translates to UAE for the Pakistan side. These fans are more likely to acknowledge the team's efforts more when they win matches down under or in England, where difficult conditions for batting play out as a big advantage for the home side. Pakistan's test team under Misbah has done what no other Pakistan side has ever done. Zulfikar Babar celebrates the wicket of England's Samit Patel. Reuters. Zulfikar Babar celebrates the wicket of England's Samit Patel. Reuters. Misbah has led Pakistan to more test triumphs than any other Pakistan skipper and has managed to beat all sides that have toured the UAE to play against them. Pakistan's climb in the test rankings and overall performance of the players under Misbah-ul-Haq has proven historic for Pakistani cricket. However, since his appointment as team leader in 2010, the country's most successful test captain, fortunately or unfortunately, has not led the side either in Australia or in England, leave alone winning there, which makes his portfolio somewhat incomplete. The upcoming England series, which will be followed by Pakistan's tour to Australia later this year, provides a near-perfect situation for this void to be filled and for 42-year-old Misbah to make his story legendary. Both tours can truly prove to be the final frontier for the Myanmar-born cricketer. Although Australia is a big assignment, what deserves more focus from the Pakistan side at present is the 4-test series against England, the first of which kicks off at the iconic Lords on Thursday. Misbah-ul-Haq walks off at the end. Reuters. Misbah-ul-Haq walks off at the end. Reuters. Pakistan's last visit to the English shores saw them return with grief and shame due to the infamous spot-fixing scandal, which obviously brought punishments to the culprits but also gave the national team set-up, which was damaged by instability caused by a lack of integrity in some senior team members, a chance to start over, and this time with an intent to not repeat past mistakes. The chance was taken, and Misbah, who was not even a regular part of the Pakistan side in the longest format of the game, was brought in to lead the team through the difficulties it was reeling from after the scandal hit England tour. The records, since his appointment, have spoken volumes for Misbah. The fans' trust in the captain has given birth to the belief that the solid middle-order batsman can lead Pakistan to Test series triumph against England for the first time since Wasim Akram did it back in 1996.